kanina, tsaka kinuwento ko yung 10-20 pinanganak si Casey. Kasi sinong meron ng story ano? Ano? Alam nyo? Kasi nung araw, hindi pa uso yung mga cellphone. Nung mag-boyfriend kami, uso yung mga CB radio, yung over-over.
Right.
So, pag gusto namin magsabi ng, syempre narinig yun, public ano yun, di ba? Sa ere, pag gusto namin I love you, ang code namin, 10-20. Gano'n. Paglabas ng anak namin dahil 10-20, sabi ko.
Pero ang tunay na 10-20 is, where are you?
Ha? Totoo?
Yun ang 10-20.
10-20, di ba?
Where are you? Di ba? Nasaan ka?
Mantakin mo, 42 years, di ko alam yun.
Madalas mo ako hinahanap. Kung nasaan ako.
Hindi! Ikaw nagturo ng 10-20, yung pala ibig sabihin nun.
Yun ang yun.
Pero code natin yun.
Nasaan ka?
Okay.
Nasaan ka dahil?
Nasaan ka?
Hinahanap kita.
Hindi yun ang nangyari, kaya pala naman. Kaya naging ganon, asan ka? Yun. 10-20.
Yeah. But you know what, just to let you know, when it was announced that we were going to do a concert, a lot of our friends and
our fans.
They were thrilled.
Yes.
But there was one special person.
That's true, it was more than that.
It was more than that for this one
That's true.
person.
She wasn't just thrilled, she had a wish and a dream.
Yes.
And we would like to fulfill that dream for her, as well as maybe have the three of us stand here together.
I'm gonna get you right now.
Like the family we once were. And always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together tayong tatlo.
I'm glad you came last night.
But this was a surprise.
Yes.
I just found this out.
This is impromptu. Biglaan. Ang galing mag-aral nito kasi alam mo naman, nasa'yo kuman.
Hindi ko lang din na mag-aaralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Casey. You have a song for her too.
Sing that song.
Usually this song is sung as a love song. For weddings, for someone you know. Tonight I was singing for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there is anything I regret, tigilan nyo yan. Sorry, Case, we couldn't give you that complete family. But you have 2 families loving you. Yes. And Papa and I never stopped loving you. You were never the problem. I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holding hands. Huwag ka masyado kang chill kasi lagi mong kasama. May naman ng konti.
Makita mo lang okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Maka-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa pa, ma. May crush ako. I know. Nangyari ka pa pa.
Sandali lang.
Confirm.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa akin yung papa niya. Sabi niya, I love you. Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa lang. Oo. Sige, kaya nga pagbibigyan kita. Congrats. Thank you. Grabe, para naman ako nasa isang panaginip. Naku, ano kayo nangyari dyan? Huwag kayo, ikaw marites ka. Just nasa yan eh. Kinikilig ang... This is for you, Tutu. This is for you, Kukay, Kachuchay, Katutay, Tuti, Tutut, my baby girl. My eldest. Saling pusa ako dito. ng panahon. Bawat pagkakataon, ang mahalin kong baby ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko. Walang ikahati man saglit. May away na sa likod. Teka lang, moment ko to. My gosh! Ang sarap niyang makita together sa isang stage.
I'm so happy.
Ngayon kailan may ikaw ang lahat ng aking galaw. Ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanong, dahil may isang ikaw. Ang upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit ang mahalin ay ikaw. Umali ka na nga dito. Ginawa natin to eh.
Hindi ko makanta to.
Okay. Okay. Your papa will sing. Tayo naman pa.
You are the sunshine of my life.
That's it for this video mga kaintriga. Like, comment, and subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo ito, and see you next time.